Why English is important. Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this session, we are going to talk about something that can truly change your life. Why English is important. Let's begin with a simple fact. English is not just another subject in school. It is the most widely used language in the world. More than 1.5 billion people speak English, and it connects people from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds. No matter where you go, whether it's America, Europe, or even Asian countries like Japan and Singapore, English will help you communicate. Now, the first reason English is important is because it is the global language of communication. Imagine you are traveling to a new country. You don't know their local language, but if you can speak English, you can ask for directions, order food, and talk to people. English becomes your bridge of communication. The second reason is that English is the language of opportunity. If you want to get a good job in India or abroad, English will give you an advantage. Many multinational companies use English as their working language. If you are confident in English, you get more chances for interviews, promotions, and even higher salaries. In short, English can open doors to your success. The third reason is that English is the language of knowledge and education. Think about it, most international books, research papers, websites, and even movies are in English. If you know English, you have access to a huge world of information. You can read, learn, and improve yourself every single day. The fourth reason is that English builds confidence. Imagine you are sitting in an interview or attending an important meeting. If you can speak English clearly, you feel more confident. People respect your ability to express your thoughts. It also helps you connect with educated and professional people easily. The fifth reason is travel and international exposure. If you ever dream of traveling abroad, English is your best friend. From airports to hotels, from shopping malls to tourist places, English will help you everywhere. The sixth reason is social media and technology. Most of the internet works in English. The top websites, apps, and even trending videos use English. If you know the language, you can understand and even create content for the world. And finally, English is not just a language. It is a skill for life. Once you learn it, you will use it everywhere, your personal life, professional life, education, travel, and even in building your identity. So my friends, English is important because it gives you knowledge, confidence, respect, and opportunities. It is not about being perfect. It is about improving step by step, without fear. Start small, practice daily, speak with confidence, and keep learning. Every small effort you make today will give you big success tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Spoken English Without Fear. Together, we will make English easy and simple for everyone.